Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna continue the last project we stopped on. So I changed my mind about a few things. I think I'm gonna delete these two sprites and I'm gonna add them back after we add all the code to this one. Okay, so yeah, now let's move on. So we stopped on this block, this code over here. We have like a code over here and that says when the flag is clicked forever go to mouse pointer, and a code over here that is making the octopus move, and when it touches the cat it stops. Okay, so now it's time to move on, of course. Okay, now we are going to add this code to the octopus sprite. When flag is clicked, set size to 35%. So it's gonna make it smaller. It's gonna be right here. Let's just test it out real quick and see how small the octopus is. It feels like it's too small, so let's say 55. If it's still gonna be too small, we're gonna say 65. No, it's still too small. Let's say 85. That's gonna be... Okay, this one is better now. Okay. Point in direction 135. So we can get this from here, and we're gonna place it right here, like that. You see that the octopus is looking a different direction. But we will change it out real quick because it doesn't really look right if the octopus points that direction all the time, because look, it's just weird. It looks very weird. It looks like it broke its neck and it can't really move straight. So yeah, we're gonna say pick random minus 179 to 180. The pick random block is right here, so minus 179 to 180. Now let's test it real quick. So yeah, our octopus doesn't, well, that still doesn't look really nice. Okay, let's just leave it like that. It's gonna be fine. Now we are gonna add some more blocks in our forever loop. So right here, actually no, never mind. Let's just, yeah, it's fine. Let's just move on. So now we are going to duplicate our octopuses again with all those things. So the cat is gonna have to like avoid them, which is gonna be not really easy. Yeah, but it's kind of unfair if the cat stays in the edge all the time. I don't really get it because I don't like, it doesn't, oh, it does stop. Okay, never mind. Because I thought that it doesn't stop if the cat touches one of them. It can go like that very quickly, but it can't stay there for a long time, or else the cat is not gonna be very okay. And I decided to set the size to maybe 85% because it's too big and it's very hard to control it. I also think that we should change the color a little bit to make it look more I wanted to say realistic, but it's not gonna make it more realistic anyways. So let's just change it to something to make it look even worse. I feel like we should change it to pink because I like pink. Yeah, pink would look very, very nice. See how pretty this is now. Our game is like the prettiest game ever. Okay, so now we're gonna create a new sprite, and of course it's gonna be a star. Like, yeah, a star. Oh no, wait. I like this one, so let's choose it. And now when flag is clicked, let's add it to that star. Forever. If touching cat, then go to X pick random -200 to 201, Y pick random -150 to 150. But first, let's just get the if block. If touching cat, which is sprite 1. Go to X, and then we're gonna set the coordinates, which is the most boring part. Pick random, pick random. Like, it takes so much work to add the coordinates, it's very boring. And Y is -150 to, guess what it is? It's 150. That's like the logical thing to say, right? Yeah, it is. Yeah. So now we are going to add a if block, another one. I mean, actually no, we're just gonna add the sound thing to it. So play sound. I'll go to the sound, and it's gonna be okay, that's not helpful. This one. Yeah, that's a good one. Should we play it until done, or wait, let's check out the collect. No, I think fairy dust is gonna be better. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so I guess let's test our code. The octopuses are going for me. It's just very hard to get the star because they're always chasing after me. It's barely possible. But it's pretty fun. Like, that's the whole game point, is it? Oh yeah, so let's move on. Now we are going to create our score. Like, every single game is made with score, because like, what's the point of a game if you don't have a score? I swear that like in every single game you will find a score. You should just check and try. I mean, Minecraft, maybe it doesn't really have score, but it maybe does. Maybe all the 2D games have score, because not all 3D do. Okay, so now we are going to add this to our star sprite. When flag is clicked, set score to 0. Forever. If touching cat, then change score by 1. Play sound fairy dust until done, and then all the other stuff. Okay, so now we are going to go to our octopus sprite, and this one is gonna be very, very, very complicated. This sprite is gonna be deleted, and this is just pretty sad for me because it's just, I don't know. Okay, so now when flag is clicked, let's add this. Set size to 35%. Wait 0.5 seconds. Then forever. The forever loop is right here. Forever point towards cat. Okay, here, it's bright one. Move 5 steps. I mean, no, let's just say glide 1 second. No, we need to. Okay, here. So this one's gonna be chasing our cat all around. It's gonna like glide toward the cat. If touching cat, then stop all. Of course, we need that block. I feel like I'm just gonna duplicate it from here because I'm too lazy to create a new one and then add it. Like, it's so much work. Here. Okay, that's perfect. Now we could test everything out for now. You'll see that, oh yeah, I forgot about the size. We should have made it 85 because we will always know which octopus is the worst one and it's gonna follow you around. So this one's probably gonna be 85. Okay, that's good. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. The next part is coming out soon. See you in my next video. Bye.